Hello and welcome back to the Danfoss Installer Live YouTube channel. My name is Alex. Today I will give you a short run through of the Danfoss Eco App so you have answers for customers using Danfoss electronic thermostats. If you are curious to know more about Danfoss Eco, then please check out the link in the description box. From the app home screen you can see the actual measured room temperature, you can see the actual temperature set point, and you can see the schedule for the day. You can also see which thermostat we are connected to. In this case it is the living room, which activates the red ring on the thermostat. In this example, if you would like to heat up immediately, you can do a temporary set point change from the home screen. If you increase the temperature from the main screen, it is considered as a temporary set point change. It means it is valid until the next scheduled event, in this case 4 o'clock in the afternoon. After 4 o'clock, this temporary set point change will be forgotten, so tomorrow it will go back to the normal programmed schedule. If you would like to do a permanent change of the temperature, you can swipe from the home screen and enter the temperature settings menu. From this menu you can change the comfort or the away or asleep temperatures. To change the heating schedules, you swipe from the home screen and enter the schedules menu. From the schedules menu you can change the schedules for the individual days. So if you would like to extend one of the comfort periods, you simply drag the red dots to the new time. You can also add a comfort period, as well as you can remove. Once you have adjusted the schedule, you can copy to the weekdays you like. You can also plan a vacation period. From the home screen you swipe and enter the vacation menu, where you can plan a future vacation period, or you can start the vacation period immediately. The vacation period will lower the temperature to 15 degrees. In case you would like to end the vacation period, you simply press the suitcase symbol and you return to the previous schedule. If you find this video useful, then please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to hit the bell so you get notifications next time we upload a new video. If you are curious to know more about Danfoss Eco, then please check out the link in the description box. Thank you. Bye.